All right, I want to give you a weekly overview of week 3 of school. The week is August 31st through September 4th, and this is what we have throughout the week. Uh, Again, our materials are pretty much stays the same. So you need a computer internet access for when you're at home, interactive notebook, always bring to class, highlighters, camera phones, and some type of writing utensils. Camera phone is to submit any work you have for that week. So here's our objective. Our objective is we want to know how to write linear functions and functions notation. We also want to know once we finish the lesson what the key features of a linear function and graph them and find solutions or estimated values. Here's our vocab for the week, the stuff that's in red. Okay, so on Monday and Thursday, you have videos. Your first video is the intro to function, and the second video, which is on Thursday, is function notation. On Tuesday and Friday, you will have worksheets. On Tuesday, your worksheet will be for intro, so we'll be going over the ways to figure out if something is a function. And on Thursday, we'll be doing input and output. So make sure you pay attention to the videos. Wednesday vocab is due. All right, so same way we've been doing vocab, write down the definitions and give me an example of that definition. We will have a vocab test coming up sometime next week. So make sure you're keeping your vocab. Last but not least, if you need any resources, please tap into these three things. If you have any help, if you need any help, you know how to communicate me through uh, our welcome folder. So I have my cell phone number on there and I have my email address. So don't be afraid to reach out if you need help. Okay, talk to you soon.